Hey, this is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we're going to make this really adorable hair scrunchie. It is absolutely so precious. So what you'll need is 22 inches by 3 inches of fabric, and then 9 inches of elastic. This is a 1/4 inch wide, and a safety pin. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll take one end of your fabric and fold it down, just like this. You'll need that for later. And then you'll take your fabric and then you will fold it inwards towards you, all the way down, just like that. And then you will need to pin it, or just go ahead and sew like I always do. So you'll just stitch down a 1/4 inch seam all the way down. So I've sewn all the way down my fabric here. Next, take your safety pin, open it up, and then open up your tube just like this, and then safety pin just one of the sides. And this is just going to be a really easy way for us to turn our tube inside out. So just take your safety pin and then shove it through the back all the way down. Ta-da! And then just take your safety pin off just like this. Now that you've got it right side out, take it and press with an iron. Take your safety pin again and grab your elastic and put your safety pin through the elastic. And now take the safety pin and run it right through your tube. This really is the easiest tutorial, and I just really hope that you'll be able to make so many of these scrunchies for your daughter or your loved one that loves these. These are just so fast to make, which is really nice. And it doesn't take a whole lot of fabric either, so you really can use a lot of your scraps for this tutorial. Alright, so here we go. And pull that through, and then unlatch the safety pin, put that to the side. Be careful not to lose that end of the elastic. So take your 2 pieces of elastic here and pull your fabric down, and then wrap your wrap your elastic around your fingers and then tie a knot just like this. And secure that. Okay, so now that that's done, what you want to do is move this knot to the side. So just pull that elastic around and get that out of the way. And now just make sure that your seam on the outside is all the way. Just make sure nothing got twisted or anything. So we've got that one fabric piece that's turned inside, and then we've got the unfinished edge. Tuck the unfinished edge into your piece just like this. Make sure you've got enough inside tucked in just like that. And then you'll take your sewing machine and sew right down this little part here. Okay, that's it. That was just the easiest thing to make. Once you have your seam sewed on the edge there, just stretch it out one good time and make sure that all your ruffles are pretty even. And that's about it. That didn't take very long. So I hope that you have a great time making more of these for your little girl or your big girl, whoever's wearing them. And so be sure to subscribe to our channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.